Hello guys, welcome to Women's World. My name is Tokwesoni. On today's episode of Women's World, we will be talking about a topic that I love. The topic is love. Is love really enough? In relationships, it doesn't matter if it is platonic or otherwise. Love is a constant. However, even in all these kind of relationships, is love truly enough? Is love the only thing that matters? When we come back, we'll talk more. Welcome back. Like I said, we'll be talking about love. As with love and as with all relationships, there are so many things that happen and there are so many things that matter. It doesn't matter what kind of relationship it is, platonic or otherwise. But today I'll be talking to people who are looking to get married, people who are most likely in a relationship, or people who are looking to be in relationships. On some days, you love your partner, and on some days, you can't stand them. So what stands for you on those days? It is friendship. And how do you build friendship? Realizing that some things matter. There are some conversations that need to be had. And such conversations include how to deal with family, each other's family members, how to deal with the beliefs that you're going to put in your children, things like religion, things like credit, who is going to handle what, things like your financial relationships, your financial situation, how financially intelligent are you? But then, there are so many other things that bear consequences too. And on these days, you ask yourself, have we spoken about how many children we are going to have? People put so much stock on genotype. But then, do you even want to have children? Is this person going to be a good mother or a good father? What kind of background do they have? Religious and otherwise. After you've talked about this, you need to now know, what kind of flaws can you deal with? See, I have issues personally. Let's be real. I can be a lot, as with a lot of people. But then there are some flaws that you can deal with. You know, there are some things that do not manifest as red signs. And there are some things that they are absolute deal breakers. So as you are chummy and you guys are loving each other and you're doing love watching and all that, ask yourself, if there is no love, or on days where they irritate you and love just hides, can you stay with them? What kind of political beliefs do they have? Are they liberal? Is she a feminist? Is he a misogynist? Is it traditional? Is she too liberal? All these questions help you to make the best decisions, because most likely you're going to spend years and decades with this person. And trust me, it is not easy. But it can be fun too. It is just about managing expectations. So, as you go out this week and you hang out with your love wanting team, ask questions. I've written a couple of it down. Some of them are the mental health history of the family, bucket list, dream home, careers. Do they want to be stay-at-home moms or dads? Have those questions. Political views, once again, it is very serious. Education, whatever it is you feel might be a deal breaker or might just be something you want to consider, ask them. See, love disappears sometimes. Your friendship will stay and your understanding will take you on the journey. As you hang out with your significant other this week, remember to ask all these questions and also follow me on Instagram at Tokwesoni. You will see our social media channels riding along. Make sure to follow us. I'll see you all. Bye.